All right, now you're getting ready to leave. You want to disconnect the water. You're going to do the opposite of what you did before. You want to turn your water off here. Okay, you're going to notice your gauge is still up, right? Because there's still water pressure. So you're going to, once you start unloosening, say, well, anywhere in here, I usually go from this part. You'll get that. Come out just like that a little bit. You're going to get wet. It's fine. As long as this is the kind of water you don't mind getting wet with. Okay. And then we're going to disconnect all the parts. Let them leak out. I like to let this drain out while I'm packing up the rest of the RV. Find a place for it to hang so we get all the water out. Find your favorite spot. Like you can hang it in here if you want, just like that. This doesn't need to be hung. Okay, let that drain out. Let's disconnect your, this is the fun part, it's hard to get your hands in here sometimes. Now this is the opposite of righty tighty lefty loosey. It's actually righty loosey, lefty tighty when you turn the black nozzle here. And then again, you're gonna let the hose fall into its natural curve, let all the water drain out. So one pro tip with these hoses is you don't want to do the tank flush with your clean hose, because with the potential of things to interact, there isn't much, but it's not zero. So we don't want to use clean hoses for tank flush, okay? Clean hoses, clean only. So that's cool. And then we're going to stow it. That's got electrical in it, so we're going to stow it in where the clean hose goes, right down in here, so we don't mix it with our electrical components. And there you have it. We packed up our water.